sitting beside above a little bit 220, and it gives you some very nice, interesting features. The first thing is it can be served as a video light. So you have a LED light incorporated into the flash. So when you want to use your camera for video recording, you have a video light together with the flash. You can turn and bounce the head on, and also the other thing which you can use this flash is in wireless flash systems, so it can act as a slave system, and it can also act as a remote controller. So there's a button on the flash which is replacing the wireless remote controller, so it can be run together. The smaller brother of this flash is the 270EX2 flash, and it is actually very similar functionality, but without video light. So it's also a good opportunity for those people who are coming.